This is our last show of the season for the Welland Supermarket. People who, if you don't know me, my name's Don Romano, and I hired all the bands. It's 9 shows, eh? Thank you very much. Appreciate it. So anyway, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, the Howling Horns.
All to think of the time, all the love so strange that you never know. I need a love, I need a love, I never get old. Does anybody really know what time it is? Does anybody really care about time? Is I can't imagine why we forgot time.